Now students, in this video I am going to discuss true and false of unit 2 introduction to Java for class 9. But before that, like and subscribe my channel. First, Java application is a Java program which is developed by the user. So students, definitely it is true, because Java application is certainly a Java program and that program is developed or written by the user. Now the second, James Gosling developed Java programming language. So that is also true. James Gosling led the team that developed Java at Sun Microsystems USA. Now Sun Microsystems has been acquired by the Oracle Corporation. Third, machine codes are expressed using alphanumeric characters. So students, here it is false because it is written machine code, and here the word machine refers to the computer, and computer understands only binary language, that is also known as machine language, and this contains either 1 or 0. This has got 1 and 0, right? So it is written machine codes are expressed using alphanumeric characters. This is wrong or false, because machine code means 1 and 0, right? Now the fourth, bytecode is the program in binary form. This is also false. Reason, first we need to understand what is bytecode and how do we get it or how it is generated. So students, let me tell you that bytecode is actually the code which is produced after the compilation of the Java program, or we can say when a Java program is compiled using the Java compiler, it generates another file, and the extension of the file is .class, and that .class file contains the byte code. And students, name of the Java compiler is JAVAC. Some people read it JAVAC, or some call it Java compiler, where C stands for the compiler, right? So bytecode, how it is generated, I have told you that after the compilation of the Java source code file or the Java program, the bytecode is generated, right? And now what is bytecode? So bytecode is students, it is a code which is not specific to any machine, and that makes Java platform independent. Now this bytecode which is stored in the file with the extension .class is sent to the Java virtual machine or JVM, which is the interpreter, and if it is correct and no errors are there, then it simply converts that bytecode into the machine specific code. Alright, because bytecode is machine independent or the platform independent, because when I talk about platform independency, that means I am talking about independency from the processor, that is the hardware platform, and it is independent from the operating system, which is the software platform. So Java is platform independent. So bytecode is the program in binary form. It is false because it is not in the binary form. When it is in binary form, that is, it is for the machine, right? Now 5, JVM is Java Visual Management. So J for Java, it's correct. V for visual, it's wrong because V stands for virtual. M, here it is given management, so that is also wrong because M stands for machine. Java Virtual Machine. So this is false. Alright. I think it's all clear to you now. Thank you, class.